Welcome to Takkakaw Falls, one of the most spectacular sights in Yoho National Park, Canada. Nestled in the heart of the Rockies, this mighty waterfall drops over 373 meters, making it one of the tallest in Canada. The name, Takkakaw, comes from the Cree word meaning magnificent, and when you stand here, you'll see why. Just a short scenic drive from Field, British Columbia, the falls are easy to reach and perfect for a summer visit. Whether you're chasing waterfalls or pure mountain magic, Takkakaw Falls will take your breath away. Yoho National Park, British Columbia, Canada.